this is Devin with Perfecpress HTV.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of our custom print patterns. This is one of our 12x18 custom print patterns. They are $8. All of these can be found on our website, perfecpresshtv.com, along with hundreds more, all of them including a transfer sheet. For our custom print patterns, you're going to want to cut right reading, unlike regular HTV, which is reverse. On a Cameo, you might want to try blade 2 with the speed and thickness being 8, and on a Cricut, try the paper plus cut setting. Remember that these are just guidelines, and you're always going to want to do a test cut to see which settings work best for your machine. Next, you'll want to weed out your design, otherwise known as peel out. Next, we are going to be applying transfer tape. I like to start off with a U in the middle and gently press down on the sides. And if applied carefully, there's no need to even weed out all the extra excess around the design, which could help you use out the whole entire 12x18 sheet. First, we're going to be applying a layer of our pre-cut Perfecpress Soft White. And this helps to make your design really pop out on the shirt. And next, we're applying our cut pre-printed transfer right on top. Now we'll be applying our cut pre-printed transfer right on top of our Perfecpress Soft HTV at 300 degrees for 12 seconds using one of our Hotronix 16x20 auto open heat presses. It is a hot peel. This is Devin with PerfectpressHTV.com, and that is how you use one of our pre-printed transfers.